What is going on, Jasmy Army? Time for an update in what's coming and equally what has been that's pushing Jasmy into the face of many other people. Now, this is a project I've been talking about for quite some time now, and I'm very excited to bring you this video and especially what I think is coming in the pipeline. So if you're in the Jasmy Army, be sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like. Let's smash 300 likes on this video and let's get into it. So Jasmy currently sitting 4783. Now, I did a video the other day talking about Binance and obviously that move that it did to put it in the innovation zone. Now there is a petition going, as well as some community kind of voices being heard and realistically kind of arguing as to why it would be put in the innovation zone on Binance. They're either offering 5% APR if you had to stake your your Jasmy with Binance. It's kind of crazy to think about, but $50.6 million is the volume, $227 million market cap. So still quite a cheap market cap, sitting 4783. Now we will look fully at the technicals to give you an idea of where I think it's going to move this week, but what I wanted to cover off was a couple of things that we had recently. So we know that the Japan blockchain expo happened, of which we know that the Jasmy team were there. It says, thank you for coming to Japan for the blockchain expo. I had a session with Mr. Hatsuyama, director of BitTrade, Hubi Japan, about the token market in Japan. Next up, Teams Web3 Summit. So this point here about Jasmy being out there, being building, being making sure that their product, their innovative and patented product, is getting out to as many people as they can find is a very good statement indeed, and actually shows some real desire from the team. They're out there meeting people, and I for one I'm super excited. Just look at the people around the Jasmy tent and the Jasmy stand. I think it's super exciting to see what they're doing. We even saw them here, this top right hand corner, Jasmy Incorporated, so surrounded by some pretty big people, and equally we see quite a few exchanges and a number of other factors all sitting within that blockchain expo. So for me, it's a very good thing to be out there. It's a very good thing to get this product out there so people truly understand data democratization and what the IoT platform is truly going to bring. Bear in mind, remember, it's patented technology. So I think it's a huge step forward, and especially with that little nod to Hubi Japan, could it be that we start to see some more exchange builds for Jasmy as well? So again, some super exciting news, some pretty bullish news all in all. Now, what's important as well is the community, and the Jasmy community still continues to build. And we talked about this a number of times, the Jasmy grants, which again is a fundamental key part of what they're doing. And we know they've already sponsored kind of sports teams and local Japan teams, but one of the ones I wanted to talk about, and it's not a sponsored video, is Dango. And again, this is an NFT platform born out of the Sui chain, which is driven by Dango DAO, the name taken from the Japanese word Dango, which symbolizes unity and friendship. And we're starting to see NFT projects, search bars, Web3, all of these sitting under the Jasmy grant. So you talk about a fantastic IoT platform and actually a real use case that I think is going to be incredibly important as we build out this blockchain technology, and equally as we move through the next kind of few years. We've also got NFT projects. We want to support new innovative projects coming to the space using this Jasmy Grants Foundation, of which there is a significant amount of money, $2 million sitting in the Grants Foundation, and there is a ton of projects. Again, if you'd like me to kind of click through some of these and have a look at these and do a bit more in-depth in some of these videos, by all means, just let me know in the comments down below. But we know we've got ASCG Worlds is a game that you can play. We've got some more NFT projects. We've got a search bar. We also got AI service platform, which again could be huge. All of these linking directly back into the Jasmy protocol and the Jasmy ecosystem. So I think it's a very good thing, and ultimately long term is a very good business move. And I wanted just to finish on a very kind of, I guess, a very poignant tweet coming from BuildBee, and it says, an innovation coin is not the same as a delisted coin. And by the looks of it, the Jasmy team is willing to prove this innovation. In the midst of the storm, Jasmy has surpassed halfway through 100,000 holders milestone for 2023. And again, this is important that actually it is an innovative token project, whatever you want to call it. It's innovative in the sense that it's bringing something completely different to the space. It's ultimately going to be a real use case that is absolutely needed and will be needed for years and years to come. However, it is not in a innovation sense from a cryptocurrency. It's not incredibly volatile. It's not a risk play. And I think that's the difference right now. And I truly think Binance are deliberate in that. Remember, I talked about this. CZ is a ruthless businessman in my view, and he is being sensible. We know they hold a substantial amount of Jasmy as well. So I think there's a bit of play involved here. I think he knows what's coming. I think he's absolutely very clear on what this could really do for both data services and equally those people that want to get hold of it, but ultimately they'll come back to you being the custodian of your own data. Data democracy is going to be huge, mark my words, in the years to come. And I think Jasmy is going to be one of those coins that is absolutely at the forefront. So I keep adding to my bag. I keep buying on the dips. We take a look at the price action right now. You can see we're currently sitting at the 4779s. We did bounce off this kind of 4.6 range, holding solid on the 9-day EMAs. We want to start to see this push back up towards that 5.3 range. Again, all on the back of that Binance news. This entire dip here, all on the back of Binance, basically. So we want to see this kind of reverse back, again, trend back upwards as we see people really understand and unlock the potential of Jasmy. But this consolidation is nothing really to kind of be too nervous about right now. This consolidation above this 4.6 range is pretty good. And all in all, I'm pretty happy where Jasmy is. Like I said, we want to see the price move up, but I think in time, certainly we are going to start to see that. And I truly think Jasmy is going to be a great coin for 2023. But let me know down below in the comments if you believe in Jasmy. What do you think of it all? And as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave a like. 300 likes, Jasmy Army. Let's absolutely send it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. See you soon. Bye-bye. Take care.